Okay, we're going to start in the basement. This is their 3 litter box situation. And they always have a few little toys kicking around down here. When we come up the stairs, oh, there's Creebert. This is their food and their little mat that they all share. That's go up the stairs. This is their enormous cat tree. And that's where most of their toys are, including their pickle on a stick. Then we go in here in the spare room. They've got 2 beds in there. And there's Cal. When we come out, they have 2 tunnels. Then you come over here. There's another little bed where Marmalade Jam is. Then we go out in the porch. They have their pineapple bed, pumpkin bed, and their little scratchy cat cabin. My bedroom, because Marmalade is very fussy. She's got her litter box. That one is just for her.